Hi moms, hi dads, welcome back to OSLA. And if you are new here, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Outstanding Scholar Learning Academy. My name is Miss Cynthia and I am your little scholar's virtual teacher. I teach 3K to grade 1 and today's video is about this month's curriculum, the month of November's curriculum. So for all the little preschoolers, we would be working on their cognitive skills. As far as their first level of those skills, I would be breaking those down into 6 lessons. So lesson 1 would be knowing their name, knowing the letter their name start with, right? We would be learning our age. We would be learning our genders, right? Teaching them, asking them, how old are they? How old are they turning? And right, so lesson 2 is getting them to identify and name basic colors, right? So learning the colors of the rainbow, the basic primary colors, right? Lesson 3 would be to count from 0 to 10. So the starters, 0 to 10. And not only counting 1 to 10, but also understanding the concept of counting, of numbers. Lesson 4, we would be understanding the concept of time. So not more so telling time just as yet, but just understanding the concept of time. So for example, mornings, afternoons, and nighttime. We can get them to identify those 3 by like associating them with things that they already do or know, such as eating breakfast. Eating breakfast, we know we eat breakfast in the morning time. So we would associate morning with eating breakfast. Same thing with lunchtime. It's the afternoon, and dinner time and bedtime is nighttime, right? So, and for lesson 5, we would be getting familiar with basic shapes. As we may know, there are 2D shapes and there are 3D shapes. So 3D is gonna take the back burner for now, but we would go into 2D shapes, right? And lastly, but not least, we would be recognizing and identifying common objects and pictures. Getting them to identify who's in a picture. They can point out mom, they can point out dad, they can point out grandma, they can point out grandpa, or even the common objects. Elizabeth, can you go get me the ball? And they would be able to identify the ball and go get the ball. That would conclude November's curriculum. Like I said, it's broken down into 6 lessons. And I just hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to share more curriculums with you guys, more lessons, and get your little scholar ready for the next level. Like I said, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't be shy, leave comments down below, suggestions. I'm open to whatever you guys want to see, and subscribe, right? So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.